So
Exactly.
let's,
Exactly. So
yeah, that was a very
there,
creative way.
yeah, there were total 6 buildings. Some were 6 unit buildings, some were 12 unit buildings, some, and then the bigger one was 36 unit building, and it had actually
Ah,
4 bedroom apartments also, 12
oh
of them.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
and so we looked at it and we said that okay, these are the ones where we can do little furnishing and do rent it
Mm-hmm,
out to the professionals of the university, like
mm-hmm,
a guy who's doing and not so much the undergrad students, but a postgrad student or somebody who is basically a faculty working in university and has a car, and then he can probably we can rent it to them.
yeah.
These are things where we can just focus more on some student area and some to the local people, so we can segregate it, and that's how we are testing the market right now. And that's how we are basically we have started advertising. We have
Oh, nice.
put it into Appfolio, and
Oh,
we have a
wonderful.
property manager who is managing that. So yeah, things are in
Nice, nice.
we are moving forward.
Beautiful. So, what were some of the challenges if you were to speak to somebody who might pick up something like this? Did you unravel some things you didn't
Yes.
know? Yeah.
So I mean, and we are every day we are going through new challenges, and every day
Hmm.
we are just struggling and trying to find a better solution for that. So we started with the lot of violation, because that city, the city requires a yearly inspection of all these units.
I
So
see.
this is the good and bad, right? So good thing is, because since it is a yearly, inspection, I mean, nothing much goes bad on these properties, right? I mean, there will be little
Mhm.
broken stuff, but I mean,
Yeah,
nothing, drastically bad. So
sure,
good
sure.
thing for us, right? And that's, we knew that, there are violations, we'll have to take care of that. Okay,
Hmm.
so with the city, we had to work. I mean, that was the biggest struggle for us, that to get the permit and to find a contractor who is licensed to do all of that. And we had initially planned for like $4,000 to $5,000 a door, but
Hmm.
some of the units required more, some were not so much. So that was one of the thing. The second is basically because we are for us, we are considering out of the the site. Basically, we are
Yeah,
not local there. I mean, me and my partner, we both are
yeah.
in Chicago, and we are heavily
Yes.
relying on our contractor crews and also
Yep.
the property manager. So sometimes things are basically, I mean, I wish I was there every day. I could have
Yeah.
done it much
Hmm.
better. If somebody is planning to do out of state investing, and where he has to do a major rehab, he definitely needs
Hmm.
to plan to either go very frequent visit or
Hmm.
be local there, right? I mean,
Sure,
that is something where I have been struggling. That
sure.
I think money is always a part of thing. You have to make sure
Hmm.
that because all of a sudden we got hit with this. We had a very good insurance,
Oh,
which was,
yeah, you mentioned, yes.
yeah, 2,500 a month was the total insurance cost. That was the existing one, and all of a sudden that company is closing its door, and then we had to go buy the quotes from outside. All these insurance companies are almost 4 times more. So all of a sudden my number got hit by. So it was like my monthly got increased to 7,000 more. And
Yep,
luckily
yep, yep.
I'm able to find one insurance company which is charging me about $4,400, 44,000.
44,
Yeah, yeah.
44.
So
Okay.
these are
Yeah.
the things.